Welcome to Webstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall a desktop app that was installed from a website or web page. A website or web page can be installed as an app, desktop app. This is OpenAI.com website opened in Google Chrome web browser. And this is OpenAI website app installed as a desktop app. This is its icon on desktop. When this web page is installed as an app from Chrome web browser, I cannot see the option to install it as an app. Instead, it says open as OpenAI. So if you have such an app installed and you want to uninstall it, here is how you do it. Open the app, click three dots and select uninstall OpenAI. OpenAI is the name that we selected when we installed this app. So I'll click uninstall OpenAI. I'll click remove button and the app is removed now. So I can go to Chrome and now option to install this website or web page as an app has been restored. But this is how you uninstall the app. If you install a web page as app, you will have to uninstall it like this. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.